Polarity. Sacred geometry, symbol polarity. Polarity is limited and relates with fear, unity is unlimited, infinite and free. All duality we experience is an illusion and we are used to be programmed to divide instead of create, unite and love. Therefore we see polarity everywhere including within ourselves. It is a choice, always a choice if we believe we are free enough to return to source while we are living this game, polarity vanishes and unity arises. This universe was created as an organic duality realm. There is, still a reason why it was created that way. This is a playground for souls. This is all part of the game really. If we step out of all this illusion of suffering, the truth becomes clear. We are here evolving and we do it by experiencing the polarity, meaning, living both the negative and the positive of organic life energy. To practice this game we were giving certain instruments through which we travel merging with the polarity and learning as we go. The first gift is the free will aspect, which is related to the dual quality of this universe. This aspect was what allowed the polarity to come forth as it is an integrate part of the free will energy of this universe. The second instrument is the ether which permeates all. Ether is present, always. This is the law. At any given moment all souls have choice. We have the power of choice because we have free will, therefore we can choose light because there is the ether as a silent companion on this troubled journey. The ether is given to us so we can connect to our higher self and our soul companions. There is always a choice. Always. Even if a choice makes us end a lifetime at a specific moment, nothing ends, it is just a change of reality. As we were given this polarity world, we go through growth, learning, awareness, expansion. And as we do it, some residues of the past remain bringing forth memories of polarities. And as we go through lifetimes of this immense progression of soul, others do the same. And as we chose light, times were that we didn't or others didn't, and all that is to be accepted, and appreciated for all that makes us the beings we are today, at this moment in time. Without experiencing every aspect of energy we could not grow or expand. This is where I'm getting with all this. We see often symbols, numbers, pictures being considered good or bad. As an example, the pentagram as both a positive and a negative aspect. We see the same happening with numbers. So, how can we truly know if a certain sacred symbol is positive or negative? Can it protect us or curse us? The answer is, both. What frequency do you vibrate at? There you have. Symbols are just as daily stuff. How do you talk with others? How do you see yourself and life? What kind of thoughts you allow yourself to have? How loving are you towards everything? So I ask you, how lovingly do you look at a pentagram? What do you think when you contemplate one? Polarity exists in this holographic world. But what matters is what you decide to do with it as a creator. Because all that was given to us has the solely goal of letting us choose at every second what to do with energy. You think you are a tool in God's hands, but in fact God is watching your creation. You were created to create, to use this universe energies over and over again until you get it all. Until you experience so much crap you can finally look up and remember who and what you really are. The truth is, we use polarity to find out there is only unity. There is only one. And this is all an illusion.